What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Crazy Boy Hunter channel. We got a little video today of us on a four-wheeler dirt bike we're going to film. Ain't that right, Hunter?
Yeah, muddy.
It's muddy as hell out here. Like, if y'all could understand how fucking muddy it is. Now, I'm on the little ass 70 over here. He's on a fucking 450. You know, everything's going great. We just got out here.
It's finally starting to sleet.
Yeah, it's sleeting. Fucking power's out at the school, so I don't even know if I'll fucking have school tomorrow. Although they might just say fuck it, no power. Fuck it.
I'll tell them go fuck this.
Fucking old school in this bitch. So, Hunter, you wanna go rip some shit right quick? Fuck yeah, bro. He's gonna go rip some shit.
Yeah, buddy. Get it. Get it.
This is the, oh my god. God damn, this man's crazy. We do this on the basis. Just remember that, guys. Oh! Fuck, yeah, man. I'm gonna hand the camera over to you. Alright. Alright, guys, I'm about to rip this shit on this little fucking 70 here. Let's fucking get her going.
Alright, there's the first crash of the day, right here. God damn. Oh, fuck. God damn it.
Hey.
My fucking gloves, man.
Oh, dude, you're fine. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, so yeah, guys, that's just a little bit of what we do today. Fuller is fucking, it's a money slug, but it's alright. Fucking this whole field we're gonna dump shit out. I wouldn't have my car out here, but do you think Johnny would like that?
Probably not.
He wouldn't? Yeah. Look at this shit over here. Just fucking look at it! It's fucking muddy, man! And Hunter wants me to go through that? Hunter, go through this, film it for a little bit. Yeah, go through it. Go through it. That's only if you knew.
It ain't that cold no more.
People that live here in North Carolina should know it's kind of fucking cold right now. I don't have any gloves on, as you can fucking see. It's fucking cold. God damn. We're gonna take y'all to the mud hole right up there. It's just at that tree. We're gonna take y'all to it right quick, and we're gonna skip to it. And guys, we're here at the mud hole, just where we're over there. And this is, trust me, if you don't think it's deep, Hunter, step in that right quick. Just step all the way in it. Yeah, it's pretty fucking deep. And on the other side, I'm pretty sure it's even fucking deeper. Like, yeah, it's pretty fucking deep. So last time we went through that was, I mean, maybe a month ago when it was raining really bad here with that. And, you know, it wasn't that deep when we took it through it, but I went through it and dug some fucking ruts in that bitch that were like a foot deep. And we have this thing stuck multiple times in this. We've had to get my old Suburban out here to fucking try to pull it out. Fucking the Tahoe. I surprised we haven't got my car yet to pull it out. So, I'm gonna give you a little clip, me going through this on that. And so yeah, that should be hysterical. Here you go.
I want to go through the deep one.
Which part you think I should go through first?
This one over here. I don't think that one's good enough because I went through it a minute ago. The whole back end of full was done.
Okay.
Almost dropped
I'm
you.
gonna try going through that one.
Fuck it. Come on. Put her in first.
fucking deep was it? God damn.
That's some deep shit.
Yeah, that shit's deep as fuck. I'm too lazy to fucking put it down my fucking.
But if we go over there, it's gonna be.
Yeah, there's another.
There's about 4 mud holes in my whole entire property.
There's one right there. There's one over there, and then there's one way over there. You can vividly see it, but Hunter, what are you doing? Hunter, sorry gosh, you fall. I'm not listening to you. I'm laughing my ass off.
That's some deep. My boots are a foot.
Yeah. Ooh,
Oh.
shit. God damn. Just fucking. Guys, you think we should go in that pond over there?
Yeah, I dare we should.
You think we should?
Hell no.
I mean, it's not our property, and we might just like fucking sink that. But fuck it. I mean, who cares?
Swimming. I got swimming. I know we got swimming.
Yeah,
pools,
come
but
on, like
we got
comment
swimming.
comment down in the comment section. Hit us up on the gram. You know, we can go swimming in here, bro.
It's deep.
Get a fucking party going out here, fucking mud and shit. You know that might be what we do for the next video. You think? Have a little fucking party with some subscribers and shit. People from our school, fucking come mudding out here. We can get CJ out here to bring his truck and fucking everybody.
It's so deep. Please.
Remember that's the time you went through here with one wheel and then you had to go over here and it still got stuck as shit.
And the fucking trees in my way.
Yeah. Shit. Good job, Hunter.
It's in my eyeball.
Good job.
100 subscribers, I do a backflip off this.
Yeah. Next video, if we're out of school tomorrow, we'll probably have this over here, and that
And
right there doing some wheelies.
If we
Like everything with that, so
do get the 100 working, it's a lot more power.
yeah. So hopefully the 100 will start cranking soon, because I don't know what the fuck's
Maybe
wrong
we'll
with it.
just take the
I'll probably take the carburetor apart again, because the float was stuck last time. Yeah, we're gonna keep ripping shit, filming for y'all. Probably gonna go over there, see if we can get some good filming done over there, that big ass mud hole. Big ass head, Hunter.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm tired, man. It's my dad's
So
fault.
I don't get why the fucking front wheel's clean, you know, like, and then you got the back wheel, which is fucking.
We'll clean them off, get them good looking, take a couple Instagram pics.
Yeah, we'll take some Instagram pics of us in the mud today, post them. So don't forget to check that shit out. That we should have a lot more pictures coming soon, isn't it, right, Hunter?
Okay.
What are you doing, Hunter?
There's a hole in my $40 glove.
$40, not bad. Huh? I mean,
What's the fuck?
look, fucking. I wasn't filming earlier, sadly, but Hunter threw mud like all over the side of this fucking thing.
I thought I got it on this phone, that's why I was like, oh.
He did get it on my phone. Only if you can
You
see.
know, but the thing is, I don't care, but I do care at the same time.
Yeah, motherfucker. All right, we'll see y'all at that mud hole right over there. Okay, guys, we're back at the mud hole I just showed you about, and this is the new one. It's weird because the water is different colors. I don't get it. So we got Hunter over there. Oh yeah, popping them Gucci Willies. Yeah, you know him. Probably get some fucking videos and that shit, montages. Hunter goes through it. Did you have it in 4?
Yeah.
Hey, you put it in 2. He had it 4 there. He made it look easy. Hopefully we can get stuck with 2. Get some fucking good action going. And of course Hunter fucking hits a tree because he can't drive with the shit. But it's okay. It's okay. Oh yeah.
Oh, I really don't want to do
Oh, do it. Just fucking do it for the gram, bro. I'll get my fucking car here. Only if you could see that in person, that was fucking just slinging mud. Just fucking slinging it.
I'm cold now.
You cold? Yeah, so this is what we do every weekend. Because, you know, we're retards and we just don't give a fuck about anything.
That's why my
So-
transmission's all fucked.
Yeah, we still don't know what's wrong with the transmission in this car. We'd probably have it out here as well.
We might not be able to get through this.
Yeah, we might not be able to get
Just
through
keep
that.
it in line, but,
Yeah.
deal with it.
Step in that right quick. See how deep it is. We haven't done that in a while. See, it's not too deep. It's not as deep as the one fucking way over there, of course.
No.
Nah.
And yes, if you're wondering what the hell I'm wearing pajamas.
Yeah,
'Cause I'm a
because
redneck.
he's a lazy fuck.
I'm a
'Cause
redneck. Don't
He doesn't put pants on and shit like I do.
Well, now you got
You know?
like.
I mean, I'm.
You're on your period right now. You see?
Yeah, look at that. I don't even know where that came from. Probably gonna get monetized, showing my crotch and shit. But fuck it. This is where I bust my ass the most. Because my dumb ass comes through here with a 100 about 35 miles an hour and drifts this shit. Here's the famous boat over here that we always sling mud on around this corner. We're gonna get some drift. We're gonna get some drift clips of Hunter and me ripping the four-wheeler through here, slinging mud everywhere. So yeah, it's swamp through here, dude.
Dude, you should actually try drifting with the dirt bike.
You think I should?
You think you should?
Oh shit, I might. So we're probably gonna make some content of me falling down even more. Yeah, look.
Should we walk down there and show them the mud hole?
Yeah, we'll walk down there real quick. We're walking down to this next mud hole.
That's Jalen.
Yeah, we got Look. We got
We got your
Look at this, look at this dude. He's mad because we got his dirt bike out because the 100 wouldn't crank, so. Yeah. And we're walking over to this one. This is like the one that we just fucking rip through all the time. It's not too deep. Not much water in it. But, yeah, Jalen, you're short as hell. Maybe you'll sink. So we're going to show him stepping into shit. Look at him. He's like 2 feet tall. Look.
Keep going.
It might. Oh shit! It's not that deep. Holy fuck!
We're gonna keep going.
So yeah, this is the other famous drag mud hole that we fucking floor it through. You just see how long this shit is.
Can I ride a dirt bike?
You ride a dirt bike through?
Dude, we should make him ride the dirt bike through it.
You wanna make him ride a dirt bike?
Come on, Joe. Let's make you ride.
Oh shit! We gotta show him this, bro. Look, this is our drift circle. I ripped this shit with the dirt bike. Sadly, there's a big ass rut right there where I eat shit all the time. But like, oh shit! Fuck! Almost ate shit there again. But look at this shit. It's just a big swamp with a fucking drift circle.
Take the dirt bike through here.
Okay, yeah. This is I don't go through here simply because I'm not fucking retarded enough to. Look at that shit. It's like a fucking river going through there, basically. We got like a big track around our whole field.
Go through the field, but so that
Yeah, we can't go through the field because it's like, that's what they use for hay and shit. And so we just made a big track around it. So yeah, this is just a big track for four-wheelers and dirt bikes. It's better when it's dry because there's just a fuck ton of dust that comes up everywhere. So.
I should block that off with some rocks.
Walk what off?
Fill up.
Nah, fuck it.
My hole's got a boot. My boot.
Your hole's got a boot? Holy shit, I didn't know that's possible, bro.
I ain't either, man.
What the fuck? My hole's got a boot, everybody. Just remember that. That's gonna be our new saying. My hole's got a boot.
Okay.
My boat's got a hole.
Yeah, you can see my car. Look at it. Look at it. Oh yeah, so sexy. Alright, so we're gonna walk back to the dirt bikes. Have you ever seen two men drift around a corner on a 450 and almost flip off? I'm pretty sure you're about to, guys, because we're about to do that. I'm going to try to film it as best as I can. Hopefully I won't drop my phone in any mud. But if it does, it's water resistant, so, you know, it should be fine.
I don't have my case on my
So, we'll flip right there to us drifting and Jalen riding a dirt bike. See ya. The four-wheeler, me and Hunter here. Got mud in his hair. Alright, we're gonna see if we can drift this with me. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can drift this with me on the back of it, holding my phone. So yeah, if I drop my phone, just know I might be getting a phone after that because it probably won't work. I got an XS, so it's water resistant. So I don't know. We got Jalen back there, you know, just riding along with us. Fuck, it's muddy. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! I almost fell off. Alright, I'm gonna get no homo, bro. No homo. We're gonna get this shit. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Dude, only if you knew there was mud all over my phone right now. What's up, G? Woo! Alright. So that was pretty lit.
Why are you doing nuts to butt? Move your nuts.
Oh shit! Sorry, bro. No homo though. No homo. So yeah, that's a little bit of action. Oh yeah. That's just good.
Can we do a donut?
We can try to.
I'm not gonna go full play. It's cool.
Yeah. So we're back here. Hunter's driving because I'm fucking. Oh shit, we're gonna die. Oh shit, alright. Woo! Look at him, look at him. Yeah, we got people going by fucking waving at us and shit. Hunter, do it again. Just fucking let it rip. Oh, I just got caked in fucking mud. That's great. So, yeah, we're gonna get him to drift around him right quick. We'll be right back. He's gonna drift around him. We'll back out so I can get fucking coated. Yep. We have practiced several times for this. We are trained idiots, guys. Don't try that at home.
Don't do this at home.
Because I have been hit multiple times by this shit.
Justin won.
Yeah, trust him. He's been hit fucking 100 times. So yeah, there he goes. Yeah, there he goes. So we're gonna film some more in a little bit. Hopefully we can get some more content of us getting stuck and falling. So we'll get back at it in a little bit.